Hi you guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing some of the best drugstore concealers that are available in India. And if you guys are looking for some great concealers, or if you're a makeup beginner who's looking out for a great concealer to start with, then this video is going to be really helpful for you. So please continue watching. But before that, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Also please press the bell icon. And now without further ado, let's get started. So the first concealer that falls in the category of the best drugstore concealer is none other than the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. So if you're looking for a very simple, fuss-free, everyday affordable concealer, then it definitely has to be the Maybelline Fit Me. अगर आप makeup beginner हो तो ये आपके लिए perfect concealer है, because when I started my makeup, this was the first concealer that I ever used, and तब से लेके अब तक मैं इस concealer को non-stop use करती हूँ. I've never ever tried कि मैं अब इसको छोड़ दूँ use करना, because I'm really hooked to it. It's one of the best concealer and मेरा favorite है ये. And अगर आपने मेरे makeup tutorials देखे हैं तो most of the times मैं इसी concealer को use करती हूँ, because I'm super comfortable with this concealer. It has never failed me. It's a super lightweight formula which glides so smoothly on the skin and it doesn't crease at all. And top of that, it blends so seamlessly and gives a really nice coverage that lasts all day long. So अगर आपको एक ऐसा concealer चाहिए जो आप everyday use के लिए use कर सकते हो, और आपका फाउंडेशन आपको नहीं यूज़ करना है, स्टिल यू वांट टू लुक पुट टुगेदर, देन दिस इज समथिंग दैट यू शुड डेफिनेटली ट्राई. सो अगर आप ऑफिस जाने के लिए भी एक अच्छा लाइट वेट कंसीलर यूज़ करना चाहते हो, सो ये एक बेस्ट कंसीलर है. यू कैन यूज़ इट टू कंसील योर डार्क स्पॉट्स, यू कैन यूज़ इट टू कंसील योर अंडर आई सर्कल्स, यू कैन ऑल्सो यूज़ इट टू हाईलाइट योर फेस. सो इट्स लाइक अ रियली नाइस कंसीलर जो आप बहुत डिफरेंट वेज में यूज़ कर सकते हो. एंड एट दिस प्राइस इट्स रियली अफोर्डेबल विद अ ग्रेट क्वालिटी. एंड इसमें आई थिंक 9 शेड्स अवेलेबल हैं. यू कैन चेक आउट नाइका, और ये मोस्टली डिस्काउंट पे भी अवेलेबल रहता है. सो 9 शेड्स है, अच्छी वेराइटी ऑफ शेड्स है इसमें. आपको क्लोजेस्ट टू योर स्किन टोन एक शेड अच्छा मिल जाएगा. एंड माई शेड इज लाइट. मैं हमेशा लाइट शेड यूज़ करती हूँ इसका, जो मेरी स्किन टोन से परफेक्टली मैच करता है. एंड दिस हैज़ अ रियली नाइस पैकेजिंग. इट कम्स विद दिस डो फुट एप्लीकेटर जो थोड़ा प्रिसाइज एप्लीकेशन के लिए परफेक्ट है. सो ऑल इन ऑल द पैकेजिंग इज रियली ग्रेट. इट्स ऑल्सो वेरी स्लीक, so you can just put it in your bag and it's perfect for on the go makeup. So that's why the number one concealer that I would love to recommend and falls in the category of best drugstore concealers is definitely Maybelline Fit Me. Next up, the second concealer that falls in the category of best drugstore concealer is the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Concealer. So if you're looking for a concealer which gives you full coverage that lasts all day long, then this is something that you should definitely try. It has a very smooth texture and also a non-greasy formula, and at the same time it has a very matte finish to it. So if you're someone with oily skin or you have very oily T-zone, then you can work around it. बहुत ज़्यादा oiliness या greasiness आपकी skin पे नहीं लगेगी, and at the same time it doesn't crease at all, and it has a full coverage, so it's really nice. You can use it to sort of conceal your under eye area, to highlight your face, to cover up your dark spots, and also if you don't want to wear foundation, you can just work around this to sort of look put together. So if you are someone who has to attend formal business meetings, or if you are office going person, then this is going to be really helpful for you. So it's a really nice concealer. There's only one drawback in this. The shade range is really limited. The L'Oreal has launched only 3 shades of this concealer in India. International market में काफ़ी variety of shades इसके available हैं, but India में सिर्फ 3 shades हैं, और मेरा shade है 312 Amber, which is apparently the lightest shade in the shade range. मेरी स्किन पे अगर मुझे acne spots conceal करने हैं या कुछ darker areas को conceal करना है, उसके लिए perfect shade है. And trust me guys, it's a really nice concealer. Such a great formula. It blends seamlessly, gives a full coverage, and I literally don't have any complaints with the formula. And packaging भी इसकी बहुत अच्छी है. It comes with this thick doe foot applicator, और ये आपकी अंडर आई एरिया को कंसील करने के लिए, आपको अगर हाईलाइट करना है उसके लिए, या फुल आपको अपने डार्क स्पॉट्स को कंसील करना है, तो वन गो में इट विल गिव यू लाइक रियली नाइस फिनिश. इट डजंट रियली लुक वेरी केकी एंड पैची, सो इट्स रियली नाइस. पैकेजिंग इज गुड, फॉर्मूला इज ग्रेट. प्राइसिंग रेंज इज़ ऑल्सो रियली नाइस, एंड इस प्राइस में अच्छी क्वालिटी है. द ओनली कंप्लेन इज दैट थोड़ी शेड रेंज एलैबोरेटेड होती. आई मीन इट डजंट मेक सेंस दैट यू हैव लॉन्च द प्रोडक्ट एंड ओनली फ्यू परसेंटेज ऑफ पीपल कैन एक्सेस टू इट बिकॉज ऑफ द शेड रेंज लिमिटेशन. बट स्टिल अगर आपको ये ट्राई करना है एंड यू कैन फाइंड योर क्लोजेस्ट मैच इन दोज 3 शेड्स, देन इट्स रियली ग्रेट कंसीलर. You should definitely go ahead and try it out. Now coming on to the third concealer that falls in the category of best drugstore concealer is the e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer. It's a really newest addition addition to my vanity. I've been using it since then because I really wanted to try it out, and I was really excited to use this because I've heard such a great reviews about it. And one thing that I really want to highlight is that it's the most full coverage concealer that I have used till date. और drugstore category में तो इतनी अच्छी coverage I have not used, to be honest. It's like a most full coverage. You don't really need any foundation or anything else if you're using this, especially to make your skin look like even, and also to sort of conceal your dark spots and dark areas. It's like a perfect concealer. It has such a great formula which long lasts throughout the day, and it blends seamlessly, doesn't crease at all. You can use it to sort of conceal your under eye areas, to highlight your face, to cover up your dark spots, and also इसमें darker shades की भी काफ़ी अच्छी shade range है, तो आप उनको भी use कर सकते हो to sort of use them as a contour. तो आप एक liquid contour की तरह उसको use कर सकते हो to give very nice definition and structure to your face. The packaging of this concealer is also really nice. It comes with this glass bottle जिसमें कि आपको shade easily visible है, and then it comes with this doe foot applicator which is quite similar to the L'Oreal Infallible concealer, but it's really nice. And there are 18 shade available in this concealer, so काफ़ी elaborated shade range है, and you can definitely find the perfect shade for your skin tone. I am in the shade light beige, so this is how the light beige shade looks like. So for the price that you're paying for this concealer, you're getting the best quality, and if you're looking for a great concealer, definitely try it out. So the fourth concealer that falls in the category of best drugstore concealer is the NYX One Stop Concealer. It's another lightweight formula which doesn't crease at all. काफ़ी buildable इसकी coverage है, so you can build it up, and it gives a really nice high coverage, and it doesn't crease at all, doesn't look flaky or patchy. So it's a really nice concealer. So being a lightweight formula, it glides smoothly on the skin and blends seamlessly, and it doesn't get very flaky or very cakey. And you can use it to contour your face, to highlight your face, and also to conceal your face. And there are 7 shades available in the NYX One Stop Concealer, so you can pretty much find a closest shade to your skin tone. I am in the shade light ivory, so this is actually not my skin tone shade, so I use a very light shade to sort of highlight my face, और इस shade को मैं सिर्फ highlight करने के लिए use करती हूँ. So yeah, it's a really nice concealer that you should consider buying. So the next in the row is this LA Girl Pro HD Concealer, which falls in this category of best drugstore concealer. So this is actually a beauty staple for all makeup lovers, which is very popular, very famous, and for some right reasons. If you are someone who is into using concealers, this is something that you should definitely have heard of, or you must be owning it, because ये वो concealer है जो हर किसी को पसंद आता है. इसकी shade range काफ़ी elaborated है, but let's first talk about the formula. It has a buildable coverage. आप इसमें lightly इसको blend करके एक बहुत basic coverage भी ले सकते हो, और higher coverage के लिए आप इसको layer up कर सकते हो. So it has a really nice buildable coverage, and at the same time it doesn't crease, doesn't look cakey, and at the same time it's a perfect concealer to achieve even skin tone finish. And you can pretty much use this concealer for everything. I mean, not this shade, I'm talking about this particular concealer. You can use it pretty much for every single thing, because इसमें correctors की भी एक अलग से elaborated shade range है. You get peach color, orange color, green color. So अगर आपकी skin में आपको color correction की ज़रूरत है, you can find a really nice color corrector in this concealer. So आपको इसमें light से लेके dark तक एक अच्छी खासी shade range available है. So basically I use 3 shades from this particular range. This one is beautiful bronze, which I actually use to contour my face, and it blends seamlessly. इतना अच्छा finish आता है इसको blend करके अपनी face पे. It's like a really nice concealer. बहुत ही इसकी अच्छी consistency है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा lightweight formula है, and it blends like this. बिल्कुल भी dry out नहीं होता है, बिल्कुल भी patchy या cakey नहीं होता है, and it's really easy to sort of blend it because इसका texture इतना अच्छा है. And I use the another shade which is creamy beige to sort of highlight my face, and I also use the shade pure beige, which I use basically to conceal my dark spots and the dark areas. इसमें आपको around 36 shades available हैं. So it's like a box full of concealers, and you can dig into it and pick as much as you want. So इस price range में best है category में, because इसकी shade range बहुत अच्छी है. And also yeah, not to forget, the packaging is also so unique. आप इसकी packaging देख सकते हो, एक tube format में आता है, and it comes with this brush kind of a tip which helps in applying it directly on your face. बहुत ही flexible इसकी ये tip है, जिससे आप बहुत easily इसको अपने अगर under eye पे लगाना है या अगर आपको contour करना है, तो आप easily इससे lines create कर सकते हो अपने face पे. So yeah, it's a really nice concealer with great formula, great coverage, with great consistency, great packaging, and a great shade range. So something that you should definitely try and you should not miss actually, because ये beauty staple है, तो ये तो होना बनता ही है. So definitely give it a try. So the next concealer that falls in the category of the best drugstore concealer is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. And to be honest guys, जब मैंने इसको start किया था use करना initially, I did not like it. मतलब मेरे को बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगा, मेरे को इसका कैसे ये काम करता है बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं आया. But then I was, अब लिया है तो I have to use it and I have to see how I can work around it. But after using it multiple times, I realized it's a really nice concealer, and that's why I'm adding it today in this video. It's a really interesting concealer actually. The colors are great, the coverage is great, and the texture is so buttery. It glides smoothly and it blends so nicely. It doesn't get cakey, doesn't get very patchy, and doesn't creases at all. There's only one thing, that it dries a bit faster, so you need to blend it very quickly, but otherwise it's a really nice concealer, and especially the packaging is pretty amazing. Again, बहुत ही interesting, impressive packaging है. It comes with this inbuilt doe foot applicator, which is perfect for the touch-ups on the go, and the shade range is also quite elaborated. I think there are 9 shades available in this particular shade range, and my shade is ivory, which I basically use it to highlight my face and also to give touch-ups to my face. So yeah, in this price category, it's another great concealer. So the next concealer is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. Being a lightweight concealer, it gives really nice coverage. You can use it to sort of conceal your under eye darkness or your acne spots or blemishes. You can also use it to highlight your face. You can also use to contour your face. So again, you can use it in multiple ways, and the fact that it has great consistency and a great formula, it is perfect to give a very even skin tone finish, which I really like. And the great part is that it doesn't crease at all, blends very seamlessly. So this is how the packaging looks like. It comes with this doe foot applicator, so it's like a very unique size of the doe foot applicator, which is again perfect for precise application. And the shade range is again very elaborated. It comes in 17 shades, and my shade is actually C5. I use it to highlight my face and to sort of cover my blemishes, and especially when I don't want to wear any foundation and I still want to look put together, this one comes in really handy. And its price range mein, again, it's a great concealer which falls in the drugstore category. So if you want to try it out, you can definitely go ahead and give it a try. Alright guys, with this we come to the end of the video. These were the concealers that in my opinion are the best drugstore concealers available in the Indian market, and you can definitely try them out. अपनी preference, अपनी budget के हिसाब से आप easily कोई भी concealer pick कर सकते हो. So I hope this video was helpful for you. Do let me know in the comment section below, और अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो like ज़रूर कर देना and subscribe करना मत भूलना. I will see you in the another video. Till then, take care. Bye.